this is a Payne furnace. It was not turning on, but every time I turn it on the thermostat, I can hear this one buzzing, like zzz, it vibrate real quick. But I didn't mess with that, but I did go by this one, that part. Forgot what it's called. The limit light. I took this one off and I put WD-40 and all that, and it's turning right now. But look at it, you can hear the noise. At first it was buzzing, it wouldn't turn, but I took it off, put WD-40. Now it's turning, but it's not turning quick enough to light it. See the ignition, it's already on, but it's not turning on. The problem is that I need to buy a new one, because it'll turn, and then it'll get locked. I guess it's not turning quick enough. So now it's working. At first it was just buzzing, but you can hear the noise. But it's not turning quick enough when it's getting stuck. There it is. So that's the problem right there. I'm gonna switch it, turn it, and buy it tomorrow and switch it out. And I did other things, but I didn't mess with a lot. I just messed with this one and that one. So I heard it buzzing. That was the cheapest part, $5. But this one I heard it buzzing. I took it out, put WD-40. Now it started to turn, but it's not turning quick enough. And that's it. You see it's trying to turn on, but then this is not blowing fast enough, so this can ignite. See, now it's turned off. And that's it.